Hello everybody and welcome for a new episode. In this episode or tutorial video we will show you how to animate correctly, not animate but just render at least our conception. So here I've took my F16 because it's one of my best things, but you can also take just a box like a little square or other. So when you have this, you can go on render. And when you're on render, so it's this little button here, you will have some options. So if you click on sceneries parameters here, you will be able to change the luminosity. So here I have a quite high value. The background, so I'm on environment. I can also choose united color, but I prefer environment. I can choose ground plane, so I will not choose that because I'm higher than the ground. You can choose the camera, so orthogonal, that's not beautiful, perspective, and perspective with orthogonal faces. So I clicked perspective. Focal distance, it depends on what type of picture you want to make, like camera shots or just like micro objects. So I just took mid version at least. 35 millimeters is good for us. Exposition, it's to change the luminosity parameters. Here we are good, a little bit less, like this. We have the background here, an option that doesn't change anything here. And for the background, so you can make some environments. We can choose, for example, bright borders. So let's just apply that. We are waiting for this to work. So we have this, but it's not as beautiful for us, at least, as the dry lake bed. So we have this. But imagine that we just want to have the plane here and in front of that, but we want to have a front view. So here we will have to go. For me, I do like that. Maybe there's another way to do that, but I will go here, just select all of that, make that move. So click on the move button, and so I will click on rotate like this, all of that will disappear, and then free move like this, rotate this like 45 degrees like this, it's good. And when we have that, we can go back on render and we can just turn like this, and we have a perfect view of our thing. So maybe I will try to make a video on that on Blender if I can and if I know how to do that. So just check my new videos to know if I made that. But I can do much more than this. So thank you for watching and I hope see you for the next video. Enjoy your day.